Click on the link below to get price. The Commercial Dehumidifier 160L/day with rotary compressor stands out as an excellent solution for large spaces requiring efficient humidity control. Designed for industrial use, this powerful unit can remove up to 160 liters of moisture daily, making it ideal for basements, warehouses, and other expansive areas prone to dampness. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its robust rotary compressor, which not only enhances its dehumidification capabilities but also ensures energy efficiency. This is particularly important for businesses looking to manage operational costs while maintaining a comfortable environment. The 2 HP motor is powerful yet surprisingly quiet, allowing it to operate without causing significant noise disruptions in workspaces. The design of the unit is both functional and durable. Constructed with high-quality materials, this dehumidifier is built to withstand the rigors of commercial use, featuring a corrosion-resistant housing that enhances its lifespan. Additionally, the ergonomic handles and rolling wheels make it highly portable, allowing users to easily move it from one location to another based on specific needs. Another notable aspect is its user-friendly interface. The digital display makes it easy to monitor humidity levels, and the adjustable humidity settings enable precise control. This is particularly beneficial in environments where specific humidity levels are critical, such as storage facilities for sensitive materials or products. Maintenance is also straightforward, with a detachable water tank that simplifies emptying and cleaning. For those who prefer a more automated approach, the unit is compatible with a continuous drainage option, ensuring uninterrupted operation without the need for frequent tank emptying. Overall, the Commercial Dehumidifier 160L/day is an exceptional investment for businesses needing reliable and effective humidity control. Its powerful performance, ease of use, and durable construction make it an indispensable tool for maintaining optimal conditions in large spaces. Whether you're dealing with moisture issues in a warehouse or a damp basement, this dehumidifier is sure to meet your needs efficiently.